In this video, you will see how to return file GSTR3B. GSTR3B is a monthly self-declaration to be filed by a registered GST dealer along with GSTR1 and GSTR2 return forms. It is a simplified return to declare summary GST liabilities for a tax period. You have to file GSTR3B even when there has been no business activity and return is nil. So, in very short and simple words, GSTR3B is a summary return. It is a summary of all the transactions, that is purchase, sales, and expenses that took place in previous month or quarter. Go to Export Return. Here, two available formats are Excel and JSON. Choose JSON, Data Interchange. JSON is JavaScript Object Notation. JSON is a standard text-based format for representing structured data based on JavaScript syntax. It is commonly used for transmitting data on a web page. Export location will remain same where Tally is already installed. By default, output file name is this. Make yes to open exported file. Accept yes. Here you are getting your ready JSON file. Now upload the file in GST portal. Another process is there. Go to Export Return. Choose the format Excel. Notice that in output name, your file name has changed. That is GSTR3B Excel utility and its version is v4.xlsm. Extension is XLSM. Then press Enter. An error message is appearing on a window. That is, the GSTR3B Excel utility given by the department does not exist. Copy the Excel utility to the export location. So to copy Excel utility to export location, go to GST portal. Click Downloads. Choose Offline Tools. Choose GSTR3B Offline Utility. Click Download. Now you are getting a zip file, GSTR3B Excel utility. Right-click on it. You need to unzip that file. For extracting the file, you have to click on Extract here. This file is present in Downloads folder. Finally, copy this Excel file and go to the place where Tally ERP9 is installed. You can find the shortcut of Tally on desktop. Right-click on it. Go to Properties. Choose Open File Location. Here, press Ctrl V. So Excel file is copied here finally. Now we will no more get that error message. Go to Export Return. Choose Excel. Open exported file yes and accept yes. Now look at this file. Here you can find that whatever items were present in GSTR3B file, it is appearing here. We can now read this file. If you find there are some faults in it, You can even rectify them. Now, how to convert this file to JSON file? First, you click on Macros have been disabled. Now you have to enable it. For that, choose Options and click on Enable this content and then press OK. Now you can work on this sheet. Then click on Validate. Then OK. Then Generate File. Finally, you are getting the message that JSON file has been created. OK. The JSON file is finally saved on desktop. Now upload this file in GST portal.